house and said, Daddy, do you know who sleeps on your bed when you're not here? The father said, huh?
What did he say?
Do you know the person who sleeps on your bed when you're not here? Now, because of the curiosity of a man, you begin thinking in your head like, could it be Okello? No. Could it be Omar? No. Could it be Ochiem? No. Could it be Muzee? No. My son, you tell me. Then the son was like, no. First buy me a bicycle, then I tell you. So the father, because he was curious, ran to the market and bought the bicycle. And said, yes, my son, I bought the bicycle. Can you now tell me? The son said, Daddy, it is me. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to invite another person, another artist from Turkana. It's called